Hey, I'm Deanna with WTI, and who knew that a rolling pin could be so cute? This is a stainless steel rolling pin by Gourmet Easy, and I love how beautiful and sleek this rolling pin is. What's nice is each of the ends has a bevel on it, so it's easier for you to roll. You have an end that can be used to crush ice or to tenderize meat. So it's multifunctional, which means less tools. It's small enough to easily fit in the drawer, which is extremely important to me. This rolling pin is also a perfect size for little hands, and it comes with a silicone mat, which you can also bake on. I absolutely adore this rolling pin by Gourmet Easy, and that's my point of view.